Hello there. This is Albert Pinto. Welcome to my channel. I'm glad you are here today and you are watching my channel. You are here because you have received this notification, like this one here, which says your earnings are at risk and you need to solve it. Well, they say that it can have a severe impact on your revenue as well. To simplify the meaning of severe, it's very serious, or I would say very great impact. So you need to solve as early as possible. These messages are usually coming to those who have got AdSense approval recently, and even to those older ones who have not added these text file codes into WordPress or Blogger sites, or even to your hosting providing company or hosting providers, like in my case it's DreamHost. So without wasting time, we will get into business. But before that, as all YouTubers say, hey man, how about liking my video and subscribing to my channel? Yeah. Yes, this is a common sentence which all YouTubers tell you to do. Do like my video and do subscribe to my channel. Fine. You are the boss. You decide what to do, whether you want to subscribe or whether you're going to like this video. You are the boss. Well, let's get going, man. Let's do our work. We are not here to waste time, right? Let's not waste time. Thanks for watching. Learn with Albert Pinto technical tips via tutorials. So we move on to our WordPress dashboard and just move down, and you have the plugins there, and click on add new. Let us type ads.txt manager. This is a plugin which we have to install. This is a very important and good plugin. Just go down, and this is the one, right? Click on install now. It's installing. Give a moment, please. Yes, it has been installed, and let's click on activate. There it has been activated. So after installation, we click on installed plugins. We will see the plugin which has been installed. Just scroll down a little bit. And yes, this is the one. See, you can see it has been activated. So we go into settings, and then we have the ads.txt. Click on that. Scroll down, and here you can see that I have already copied or pasted my PUB or the code Google code number, right? I have already installed that. But how I have done, I will just to show you, I will do it one more time. So we go into our dashboard, click again on fix now. What we have to do is let us download the file. So click on download. and let us save on the desktop. Give a file name. Just for the sake of giving a number, I'll do that. I'll save that. And here you can see the file has been already downloaded. Show in folder. Let's see. Let's check the file, and here this is our file. Just to reconfirm, let's click on that and you can see the PUB number. We go back and into the dashboard of WordPress, and here you can see the same number I have copied rather. So this was the one method and it should work. And to be on the safer side, we will use the second method. Just save that after you have pasted your PUB number. Right, and this is the one method which I have already showed you now, and this should work. And in case if it doesn't, then I will show you the second method. And so to be on the safer side, I always do both the methods. Well, you can see I am already into the DreamHost control panel. Let's go to websites, click on websites, and these are my sites here. So I'll click on manage. Let's remove that disturbance. Right, so click on manage. There it is. Let's scroll down so that we click on the right site. These are the sites that I have. Yeah, this is the one we click on, travel-goa.in. Open that. So what we do is, here you have to upload the file. Click on upload. This is our file, Google text code. So click on that and the file is getting uploaded or file is getting transferred. And here you can see it has been already uploaded. Well, my friend, I have showed you two methods, and I'm sure either of the method will work and your problem will be solved, as it's going to solve mine, and it has solved before in my other sites. Thank you for watching once again this video, and if you like it, don't forget subscribe to my channel. Cheers man, take care and see you next time with another tutorial. Bye bye.